In this video, we'll guide you on how to change the app launcher icon in your Flutter project for both Android and iOS. Go to icon.kitchen, click image, and upload your custom icon. Adjust padding. Resize the icon to fit the background properly. Click Download to download the launcher icons, then unzip the files. Navigate to Project, Android, App, iOS main res. Now open the unzipped icon files and go to Android Resources folder. Now copy all the folders and paste all the folders inside the project and click on Replace to overwrite the current icons. Now you have successfully changed the Android app launcher icon. Now open the iOS folder and navigate to Runner, Assets, App Icon, App Icon Set. Now delete all the icons inside the App Icon, App Icon Set folder. Now open the Icons folder and navigate to the iOS folder, select all the files inside the folder, and paste it to the folder where we deleted the icons. Now you have successfully changed the launcher icons for both iOS and Android app. Thanks for watching.